Home inspectors often get asked, what's the craziest thing you've seen in a home inspection? And this video takes the cake. Check it out.
There's a toilet on this platform. They must be storing it. Nope. There's a water line to it.
Yeah, there's the sewer. Yep.
But the waistline goes up.
Yeah, how does
how does the waistline go?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
On a platform in the crawl space of this house.
That's amazing. I mean, dude, bro needed some peace and quiet to take on that.
Yeah, that's like wow. That's pretty crazy. What?
I got all kinds of questions that I'm like.
It's like a one-bedroom house, one bath
yeah,
house.
I got all kinds of questions
the thoughts
going on
they're
there.
coming out slowly.
Well, because that grade is tough. I mean, because sewer lines can absolutely push in directions, but I'm very curious.
Yeah, did you see the drain line kind of went up?
It did go up.
Dude, that's
so like.
Are we being duped? Is this AI? This would be funny if it were.
That grade is tough. I'd like to hear some, and not only that, like what's the code?
Okay, if you're a plumber,
powerful toilet.
If you're a plumber, weigh in. Would that be operational, or would you just be plunging to death in with no space? Like you're literally hunched over trying to plunge that because it's just not going down. Oh my goodness, crazy! I definitely say though that is something pretty darn wild.
Where's the stairs to the platform too? I mean, that's like the guy's got to
you gotta hop up.
You gotta climb up, man.
Hey,
climb up on the throne.
And look, I realize I'm going off the deep end here, but look at how big all that crawl space is. Look across the way there. There's plenty of room.
He had so much.
Yeah, he didn't have to
the water line was there.
Himself. Yeah, maybe, I was gonna say that would be why.
And
getting close to the sewer line and water line.
Yeah.
All right, that'd be valid, Jay.
In this viral video, a homeowner is getting one over on her HOA after being fined for her dead bushes. She finally has had enough. She takes a can of green spray paint and decides, I'm going to fix this problem once and for all. What do you think?
They keep charging me $45 for this bush. So we're going to fix it today. It's not dead no more, Becky. It's not dead no more.
I don't know. There's dead. I mean, the dead bush is a dead bush, so you got to replace it at some point, or take it out.
Exactly. I was gonna say it's dead. You could see that thing's
dead. Yeah.
Yeah, because there's some green other stuff of it. But I mean, this is the desert. It looks like the desert.
It does. It's not clear where this happened, but we were theorizing this is probably Arizona, maybe
Vegas.
Nevada. Yeah, Vegas. But what I know though is sometimes those bushes just keep dying, and so you could be continually replacing that bush, and so
just take it out.
Yeah, she's like,
take it out, put some fake bushes on there. Huh?
Yeah.
Well, anytime.
Cap the drip line, bury the drip line. You good?
Yeah, and just put a fake shrub there.
Exactly.
There's probably some sort of CCNR about having no artificial plants rooted in the lawn, I'm sure.
Well, and they don't have them.
Well, it's not artificial.
I would just take it out and.
It's like, how do you say it's dead?
Yeah,
it might be alive.
Call me out on that. Put the rocks over there. Make it look real nice. You're good.
I can imagine the HOA Karen walking by and being like, how did that get green?
Yeah. It smells like spray paint over here.
Yeah.
Well, she kind of outed herself with the video, right?
Yeah.
Maybe they wouldn't have known had she not posted this video, but posting that video is going to make it way more visible to everyone what she's up to. Well, here's something really insane, the most expensive traffic stop ever. So deputy pulls someone over in Nevada, and while searching through the person's vehicle, shows a piece of paper with that person's crypto seed phrases on it. Next thing you know, that person was robbed of over $1 million in crypto. Woo!
I wonder.
Yep. And then I come up, he says, oh yeah, I know you, da da da. And then I don't even know how, how did I see the
and then Zach might be able to run state of Nevada and see if this is...
But I think anybody can go and get one of those maybe, unless you it's a fake one. Now you look, logger.
Wow. How did that happen though? Because they still have to find the wallet ID, right, to even get to enter in the seed phrases. So I'd like to know again. Sorry, I got all kinds of questions today.
AI enters the chat. I'm sure it's a lot easier when there's AI, and there could have been an indicator actually on the piece of paper. Let's see. So there it goes. There's where you see the paper.
Well, I can't read that. Can you read that? Oh, I guess it kind of gets clearer. And if you pause it.
Okay, if you pause it.
But I could see AI.
Butterfly, squash,
yeah,
man is radar. That's
tough.
I don't know about that.
I don't know either. Let's see if we can get a better view of this paper. Well,
is
maybe
this real
the
or is this fake?
actual body cam footage was clearer,
clearer,
than
yeah.
what we're
And this is
seeing.
the video.
Well,
of
and
the
if,
body-
and if,
body
if they
cam
get the
filter.
license plate number, now you
Video.
can get the wallet ID.
Okay, so looking at
Why
the
does the cop
comments.
open that up anyways? Like I don't understand. It's a piece of paper. Like,
Yeah.
well, okay, I'm gonna open up a piece of paper. Like, why?
why? Because they're curious, and that's what makes cops good. Is they see a folded piece of paper and they wonder. Like you're like that too. Like I remember there's been several times just to mess with you. I've like folded up a piece of paper. And, like,
You would fold up like a booger or something like that, and like make me open it.
Got him. Got him.
okay, maybe once. No, but
You don't want to go there.
Got him.
I did do that once. Because you're so curious. That's my whole point. Oh my God, you're making me laugh so hard. I am like tearing
That's
up.
great.
No,
That's
but for
great.
real, like you will open any folded piece of paper. 'Cause
All
he's
right.
curious.
Well, I got questions on that. Not only the car, what's he getting pulled over for? If he's got over $1 million in crypto, what's he getting busted for?
I don't know. Traffic stop.
I mean,
tail light out.
A traffic stop? They're gonna search and seizure stuff in your car? Because I mean, that's literally that's search and seizure.
It is. So obviously they maybe they smelled something funky when they pulled them. Over.
Something's
They
up.
had
And
what do they call
$1.1
it?
million in that car looks a little sus for having that kind of crypto in there. I mean,
This was in April of 2022. So what if in April of 2022 that $1 million
Got
of
it.
crypto was really only a couple $100,000 worth of crypto, and when it got siphoned, it was worth more. Maybe. I mean, we don't know.
Oh yeah, like
We don't
waited.
have-
someone
yeah.
found this and was like, "Oh, that looks like a seed phrase. Let me look at
Okay,
it."
let's ask
They waited.
Brock.
They
if this is
pounced.
an
But
AI.
how? I guess this is obviously public information, right?
Yes,
Body
body
cams.
cam is.
But who actually goes through body cam? Well, I guess probably people that want to find viral clips, right? Because and this could be a viral clip, and then someone found it and was like, because you have to actually like ask for this information from the police officers, right? Or the
I don't
courts,
know.
or
You have to like.
I don't know.
yeah, 'cause, I
request-
mean,
Is
is
there
there
a
like a
database?
is there like a bodycam.com where you can see all body cam footage?
It's probably based on the department, but I'm sure there is some sort of like either public records request or there's some sort of public records database, one or the other. Rounding out today's viral clips, this is a skit that's a play on Compass's exclusives. Pretty funny, going viral. Check it out.
Signed. We're going to look forward to seeing this baby on Zillow.
Oh, you will never see this listing on Zillow.
I'm sorry, never?
I guess I should have explained this more simply. This is an exclusive listing.
What's that mean?
It's a private listing.
Oh, okay. What is that?
Traditionally, real estate agents would show your house to a large group of buyers.
Okay.
But in order to protect you at Compass, we show your house to a small group of buyers. It's what's best for you.
How is that what's best for me?
It's an exclusive listing.
I'm just not seeing how that's best for me.
Well, you already signed the paperwork, okay? So
Compass getting beat up on
Oh, I wonder
this.
what I would love to
Yeah,
read the
throwing
comments of
rocks.
this. All the Compass agents probably.
Ooh, well,
I know. Let's see the.
it doesn't. Okay, so
Pure
just because you
brilliance.
list with Compass doesn't mean you're going to be exclusive. It's just that if you are, they have a path for you. Compass, though, has recently came out and said that the exclusives that they've sold that were banned on Zillow sold for more than what Zillow's average listing sells for. So Compass is fighting back, saying, "Hey, maybe this exclusive private listing network isn't really all that bad. Maybe it's getting people more money."
But why? I don't understand that defies logic.
Exactly.
You know, you got a large group of buyers or a small group of buyers. Which one would you rather?
Competition
be?
usually brings up price.
Yeah. So
They're
what-
definitely like
Not only
tensions.
that, like,
They're
you're telling
tensions
me-
that you have to hold and weigh.
If you find something that's exclusive on Compass, cool. You're not going to
buyers
run
don't give a
valuation.
crap if
Exactly.
they're like, oh, this is only on Compass. Oh, I'm gonna
pay more.
I'm gonna pay. I want this one because it's only on Compass. Like I don't think people even.
Think
They
that
d-
way.
They don't
don't
even think
think
that
that
way.
way.
It's just like
Yeah.
I don't care. Like, oh, this is on the market. Okay, it's for sale. Like other people can see it too. Like what? So
The funny thing is like not only was the homeowner super confused, but the agent really didn't have like a clear way of answering it either, other than like just kind of like this pompous, almost like arrogant, like
Exclusive.
reiteration of the same thing.
I love when he's like a small group of buyers.
Did you even see though? Like that was actually a pretty good skit. Did you see the makeup of the actor too, with like the chains, the coat?
It's the
Oh,
same
gold
guy,
watch.
right? It's the same guy,
No,
right?
I don't
No,
think
no,
so.
no, it's not the
same
They're
guy.
different guys.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
they're definitely different guys. You got the Compass agent that's a little bit
Yeah.
more like peppy, and then the
Yeah.
homeowner is just kind of like casual
I
and
got the live lucky.
Touche, that's
simple.
funny.
That rounds out our news for the day. What do you think? Drop it in the comments below, and thanks for tuning in.